Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring one of the most popular spots in the Bay Area. It seems our little one is ready and we are get set go. We have arrived. We are in Livermore. Every spring, the hills are transformed into a beautiful sea of yellow. These bright flowers are a wild mustard, one of the most iconic signs of the spring in California. During this time of year, the landscape becomes a paradise for photographers, hikers, and nature lovers. The golden fields of mustard flowers are not just beautiful, they are also a part of California's spring ecosystem, attracting bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. The peak time is mid-February to March is usually the best time to visit for maximum bloom. As the sun sets over the Livermore Valley, the flowers glow even brighter in the warm light. It is a peaceful reminder of the beauty that nature brings every spring. And it reminds me of India. Ay, come. Come. Oh, come. Hey, hey. Eita. Ah, flower. Hmm. Aqui. মজা লাগছে Wild mustard flowers blooms across the rolling hills from late winter through early spring. Their vibrant yellow color creates a stunning contrast against the green grass and the blue sky, which look majestic. If you are ever exploring the East Bay, definitely make a stop here. It's one of those hidden gems that feels like a mini spiritual getaway. And I'm talking about Shiva Vishnu Temple in Livermore. If you visit the wildflowers in Livermore, you must stop at this temple, the Shiva Vishnu Temple, which is nearby, and you can enjoy the peaceful vibes, the stunning architecture, and so much history. This temple was built in 1986 by Hindu Community and Cultural Center. Its design is based on traditional South Indian temple architecture. And there are some things to know before you go. I have listed down in the description below.
दो तो ओदिके जाओ सोजा चलो सोजा चलो सोजा चलो 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 चलो
I'll tell you, this would be the last stop for our day. So, this is Sunol Wilderness Regional Reserve, a beautiful natural landscape located in the East Bay of California. Just a short drive from the city, the peaceful wilderness offers scenic valleys and incredible views of untouched nature. Covering thousands of acres, Sunol Wilderness Regional Reserve is part of the East Bay Regional Park System. It is perfect place for hiking, wildlife watching, and experiencing the beauty of California's natural landscape. The park features miles of hiking trails that lead through grassy hills and oak woodlands and open valleys. During spring, the landscape becomes even more beautiful as wildflowers bloom across the hillside. Flowing through the preserve is Alameda Creek, one of the longest natural streams in the San Francisco Bay Area. Along the creek, visitors can often spot birds, deer, and other wildlife living in this protected habitat. As the sun sets over the rolling hills, the wilderness becomes calm and golden. It's moments like this that remind us how beautiful nature can be. Whether you are hiking to a hilltop viewpoint or simply enjoying the quiet surroundings, Sunol Wilderness offers a peaceful escape from a busy city life. And here we are enjoying in the following the creek, playing with the kids. Kids are having fun, exploring things, getting new things. So yes, it's a wonderful time that we spent here. Whether you are looking for a peaceful nature walks or scenic views, Sunol Wilderness Regional Preserve is a must-visit spot for outdoor lovers in California. Thank you for exploring Sunol Preserve with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and join us for more nature adventures. Thank you.
Two. देखे आस्ते आस्ते इधर एदिके ओ ओ ओटो ओटो Why?